Hi angels, guess what came in the mail? The Universal Yum subscription box. It is my favorite subscription to participate in. I'll put a link below to Universal Yums. If you use my link, you will get a discount on your first box. And who doesn't love a discount? I know that I like them. So, this month's Universal Yum is coming from Poland. Welcome to Poland. Alright, let's go ahead and pull the top sheet off and see if we can get a thumbnail. Alright, so let's dive right in and see what we got going on here. First off, it looks like these are, oh my, these are going to be good. Dill potato chips. So dill flavored chips. Those are going to be tasty. And we also have here a salted potato snack. Could be good. Could be very, very, very good. Okay, and then next up we have let's see. Here we go. This one is a chocolate covered gingerbread with an apple filling. That could be good. Gingerbread is always very, very tasty. In my opinion, of course. We have some crackers with black cumin and onion. I bet that would be really good. Really flavorful. Very, very flavorful. We also have some paprika potato sticks. Potato sticks are so good. I can't do those right now because of the inability to do crunchy, but I bet they're gonna be delicious for those who can try. All right, now we have some Dr. Gerard apricot mini cake, glazed sponge cake with cream filling and apricot jam. That's gonna be delicious. And actually, it looks like, yeah, 2 of those came in, so nice. Nice, nice. And we have here a pretzel stick with poppy seeds. Pretty simple snack. Not too overly complicated. Okay, and then what else we got going on here? Okay, these are some cheese and onion pretzel snacks. I'm going to put a link below to my review channel where you will be able to see all of these products reviewed by either me or my lovely, lovely family members. Okay, here is a milk chocolate bar with a caramel filling. Oh my goodness, that's going to be so good. Chocolate and caramel. Whew. Heck of a combination, I tell you. Heck of a combination. Okay, these are chocolate cookies with a coconut cream and cocoa, I can never pronounce that correctly, glaze. Those are probably going to be yummy, especially if you're a fan of coconut, then they'd be super yummy. Looks like here are some crackers with herbs de Providence. With Providence herbs. I don't know exactly what Providence herbs are, but sounds flavorful. Next up, we have a chocolate biscuit with cream filling and orange shell. Chocolate and orange are really nice together. Really, really quite nice together. Next up, we have, let's see, a milk chocolate bar with sweetened condensed milk filling. I bet that's actually really good as well. And that creamy, milky yumminess. Next up, we have a milk chocolate bar with salted peanut filling. Bet that would be good too. Chocolate with a little bit of salt just kind of enhances the flavor that much more. Okay, and then next up we have a dark chocolate covered vanilla marshmallow. That's something I'll be able to try, nice and soft. And then the last item in the box for full items, then we have our yum bag we'll go through. This is a cookies with crispy nut filling and dark chocolate drizzle. Fancy! That's gonna be really good. So actually there was quite a few like chocolate items in this month's bag. I like that. I like that a lot. I'm always a big fan of sweets. The savory stuff is usually pretty tasty as well, but I tend to gravitate a little bit more towards sweet than I do savory for my snacking pleasures. Okay, and then of course they have the little Yums bag, which I just opened up here. And in the Yums bag, let me go to the guide so I can know exactly what I'm talking about here. Okay, they have these, which are chocolate candy with strawberry and black currant filling. Yum. They have these, which is just a cream fudge. Ooh, that's really firm. A firm cream fudge. And then they also have these right here, which are strawberry, raspberry, peach, and lemon candies with yogurt filling. Interesting. And then last but not least is a sugar-coated jelly candy with a raspberry filling. Yum! And they give you about 4 of each item. So really good, enough for you to try, enough to share with others. Let me know if any of these items caught your eye as something that you would really enjoy. But I think I'm going to enjoy the chocolate items. As far as the things that I can try, I think I'm going to enjoy the chocolate items more than any of the other items. Just because I'm a chocolate fan. Thank you so much for watching this. I'm looking forward to trying this stuff out. And like I said before, I will put a link below to Universal Yums for you to get a discount if you would like to try out one of their boxes. They have this size box, which is the super box, the biggest size that they have available. But they do have a medium-sized box and they do have a small box. So depending on your snack needs, your budget, whatever else factors into your decision making. But yeah, I would say it's a very successful box this month. Thank you so much for watching this unboxing, and feel free to click the review channel link below to come see what I think of everything. Until the next video, bye.